There are many types of geometric symmetries: reflection symmetry, rotational symmetry, helical symmetry, and transitional symmetry. But here we are going to talk about the simplest form of symmetry, which is reflection symmetry. The object or image that has reflection symmetry is like a mirror image. If you were to draw an imaginary line down the center of an object or image and fold one half along that line, the shapes would match up. Objects that have symmetry can be divided into identical pieces. First part will be exactly the same as the second part. The example of symmetry that is closest to us is our own body. If we draw a vertical line through the center of the shape of our body, we will see that the left and right parts are identical. There is one arm on each side and one leg on each side. If we look at the face, we will observe that the left part of the face is identical with the right part. There is one eye on each side equidistant from the center. The shape of nose and lips that are getting divided is also identical. When an object has symmetry, we call it symmetrical. And when an object does not have symmetry, it is said to be asymmetrical. The imaginary line that we draw to a certain symmetry is called line of symmetry. Symmetrical objects may have one or more lines of symmetry. For example, an isosceles triangle will have only one line of symmetry like this one. If we try to divide it through any other side, the resultant parts will not be the matching ones. While on the other hand, if we take up an equilateral triangle, we will see that it has more than one line of symmetry. We can divide it in three different ways, and each time we will get the parts that match each other. Imagine that you have placed a mirror in place of the symmetric line on the letter W. In this case, the figure appearing in the mirror will be exactly the same as the half W hidden behind the mirror. So, we can say that the left part of W, which is half W, and its mirror reflection on the right are symmetric. We can also see that the distance between the farthest point in the half part of W from the mirror is the same in the reflection as well. We can say that it is symmetric shape of figure W and the mirror line is the line of symmetry. This type of symmetry in which half of a shape is a mirror image of its other half is called reflectional symmetry. Symmetry is found in nature everywhere. A butterfly and a flower are the most common examples. In fact, if you look around, you will find symmetry all around you.